Redding Rancheria announced it is now providing monoclonal antibody treatment to patients who have tested positive for COVID. And new tonight, Action News Now reporter Ryan Caney talked with Redding Rancheria to find out how the treatment will help Shasta County.
Only 2 patients have received the treatment so far at Redding Rancheria, but Tribal Health Executive Director Glenn Hayward is excited that this could bring some much-needed relief to local hospitals.
They've kind of had their hands tied as to what they can do. You push the vaccines, but some people just don't get vaccinated, and they end up with getting COVID. And as a medical provider, you want to be able to provide treatment. You want your patient to get better. So this is really satisfying for our doctors to have this to be able to prescribe to our patients.
In the most basic terms, the treatment attaches monoclonal antibodies to your cells, preventing COVID-19 from attaching to them, helping your body fight off the virus.
So that's how it works. It blocks those receptor sites so the COVID virus can attach to your cells, replicate, grow, and make you sick.
Despite leaving the clinic with sore arms, both patients who received treatment were grateful it was available. Hayward told me without this treatment, the 2 patients could have ended up where most serious COVID-19 cases are now, the hospital.
They were just happy to have a treatment instead of being sent home and saying, if you get worse, go to the emergency room. So this is another tool to try and prevent people from having to go to our already impacted emergency rooms in this area.
Right now, only Redding Rancheria patients can get the treatment, so the clinic can meet patient demand, but they hope to offer it soon.
So we have to look at that first and make sure our patient population is taken care of, and then if we have the ability to expand, the Redding Rancheria always wants to be a good neighbor in the community, and we'll do what we can to help the community.
While most people I talked to today didn't know what monoclonal antibody treatment is, one person who didn't want to go on camera told me they're glad that there's some sort of treatment for people with COVID to recover and avoid a hospital visit. In Redding, Ryan Caney, Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
And the Redding Rancheria tells Action News Now that the vaccine is still the most effective treatment to prevent COVID-19.